Yo, what's up everybody? What's good? Welcome back to the channel. On my way to pick up my kiddos, and I feel better from yesterday. I really do, but at the same time, I still got this really like bad cough, sore throat type of thing. But yeah, let's get to the spot real quick, and then I'll tell you exactly what I'm talking about as implied to the title. Anyways, as I stated in the title, Pixel 4 XL. Now, this is a phone that I really enjoy using quite a bit. I know it's outdated. I know there's no longer software support unless you're like manually supporting it yourself and you're like flashing custom ROMs and stuff like that on it. And hey, yeah, custom ROMs will keep it up to date. But you know what? Like, the sad reality is that to have it, fully 100% working, you want to have that software from Google, and sadly enough, this is not getting those software updates no more, not even security patches anymore. So that's like one major downside caveat to the Pixel 4 XL. But if you're willing to deal with an Android 13 based device, then you'll be just fine. The thing about it is that there's features on the Pixel 4 XL and the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 3a that and the Pixel 3 that I miss. It's a really cool feature, and now that we have Gemini on these devices and we're able to replace Google Assistant with Gemini, it just works even better. If you just kind of squeeze to bring it up, Gemini just pops up. That's pretty cool. I like having that. I know it's not like a huge thing, you know what I mean? But for me, someone who is a smartphone enthusiast, it is, especially when you kind of just see like how an older feature plays with a newer service today. It's always a good thing to see that. So the Pixel 4 XL, still a solid phone. Nothing, I don't feel like I'm in the Stone Ages because I don't have Android 14 on this device and whatnot. I don't feel like I'm in the Stone Ages because I don't have the updated lock screen clock and all that other stuff. Like, to be honest with everybody, I really give two left testicles about those types of things. I just want the phone to work. It's the reason why that I can actually put my SIM in this phone and use it. Not a problem at all. As a matter of fact, at the end of this month, because I really like this particular iPhone, the iPhone XS has been really great, and I want to get me another one. So I am actually going to actively hunt for an iPhone XS Max. And of course, there's a few key things I'm looking at too, making sure that it's network unlocked, making sure that it's iCloud unlocked, that it's not locked down to any iCloud account, and obviously the battery health. I am looking to make sure that the thing, at least if I'm gonna buy it, at least is like 89%. Maybe I'll go as low as 85%, no lower than that. So I got my work cut out for me to find me a decent iPhone XS Max. But yeah, I really enjoy using the Pixel 4 XL, and for right now, I can see my SIM being inside of it, staying in it for a little bit. Not worried about 5G or any of that stuff. I really don't care. If I'm on LTE only, it doesn't hurt me. As a matter of fact, for people to kind of just see, I'll run you a speed test. And this is actually pretty cool. So my visible SIM is in the Pixel 4 XL. And this is a Verizon variant. It's the reason why that I can't put a custom ROM on this. I could put one on my regular Pixel 4, but not on this. The bootloader is locked. But there you have it. So I'll run a quick speed test on LTE. And you guys can see that it does decently well. And when I had my visible SIM in the Pixel 4, it actually, wasn't getting to this type of speed. I mean, this is not over 100. Some places I go to on LTE, I hit like 180. Sometimes it's like this, like 54 and that. So it just really just depends on where I'm at. But yeah, I've noticed that obviously a Verizon variant device is going to do well on a Verizon network SIM carrier. So, I mean, to be honest with everyone, that's just really where my headspace is at. Have no problems with it. Everything works just fine. All my apps that I use work just fine. So I have no problems at all whatsoever. It is what it is. Well, that's why I'm currently using the Pixel 4 XL, and I just wanted to kind of just share that with everybody. For those that are interested in getting a Pixel 4 XL, and you can find one for like $120 or less, you know what? It's actually a pretty damn good deal if you want to, if you really want my opinion on that. But yeah, I'll leave you guys to that.